Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make motor start with on delay timer wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB 1, RCCB circuit breaker, DP MCB 2, DP MCB 3, magnetic contactor 1 and 2, DP MCB 4, start switch, stop switch, motor 1 and 2, neutral connection input to DP MCB 1, phase connection input to DP MCB 1, output connection from DP MCB 1 to connect RCCB, output connection from RCCB to connect DP MCB 2, neutral connection to DP MCB 3, phase connection to DP MCB 3, output neutral connection from DP MCB 2 to connect contactor 1, output phase connection from DP MCB 2 to connect contactor, output connection from DP MCB 3 to connect contactor 2, output connection from DP MCB 3 to connect contactor 2, another connection from contactor 1 to connect stop switch and start switch, input connection to contactor 2, phase and neutral connection input to DP MCB 4, neutral connection output from DP MCB 4 to connect contactor 1 and 2, phase connection from DP MCB 4 to connect start switch, output connection from contactor 1 to connect stop switch, output phase and neutral connection from contactor 1 to connect motor 1, output neutral and phase connection from contactor 2 to connect motor 2, earthing connection input to motor 1 and 2. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.